Attention s'il vous plaît, dernier appel également pour les passagers du vol Air France 1224 à destination de Tunis, embarquement immédiat pour 1647, merci.
Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Your attention please. A green jacket has been found in the cabin. The passenger concerned is kindly requested to contact a member of the cabin crew. Thank you. Mesdames et messieurs, bonjour. Avant la fermeture des portes pour des raisons de sécurité, il vous fait un comptage des passagers. Nous vous demandons de bien vouloir rester assis afin de faciliter ce processus. Merci.
Ladies and gentlemen, bonjour from the flight deck. My name is Igor Stankovic and wish you welcome on board Mauritius flight Mauritius 45 from Charles de Gaulle to Plaisance, airport in Maurice. Welcome from my colleagues. Right with me in the cockpit, Hamish Hamilton and Philip Rico, which will do this flight for us. As I'm informed all of you on board, we are just waiting for the final paperwork, head count and cargo to be loaded. And we'll be on the way to Mauritius, I hope, in 10 minutes from now. Flight time 11 hours 10 minutes. Initial altitude at 33,000 feet, and later we'll climb over Africa to 37,000 feet. Weather is forecasted to be nice, but please observe the fastball sign for your safety and comfort, and please remain fastball seated. In the meantime, sit back, relax, enjoy Mauritius in-flight service. Hamish will talk to you just before descent with the latest weather information from the zones. Enjoy the flight and thank you.
The safety instruction card in the seat pocket in front of you is there to help you get familiar with these important safety features. Please do not hesitate to call on the cabin crew for any further information you may require. We are now prepared for a safe trip, so please relax and enjoy a safe flight with Air Mauritius.
De sécurité, nous vous recommandons de maintenir votre ceinture attachée et ajustée lorsque vous êtes assis. Nous vous rappelons qu'il est strictement interdit de fumer dans toutes les zones de la cabine, y compris les toilettes. Toute personne ne respectant pas cette consigne sera référée aux autorités à l'arrivée. que le bail avant des podiums d'actes sont maintenant fermés. Merci. Donc, vous avez apprécié le programme de musique de cinéma sur le vol, les membres de l'équipage maintenant procéder en cabine pour le ramassage des écouteurs. Merci. Please ensure that your seatbelt is fastened, the back of your seat is in the upright position, the armrests are down, the tray table, your handset, your footrest, and your individual screen in front of you are stowed. On our car rental partner Airbus will be glad to assist you. All non-Mauritian citizens are to ensure that all sections of a disembarkation card and health declaration form have been duly filled in. Passengers in possession of a Mauritian passport or citizen of Mauritius are required to fill in only the health declaration card. For your information, all animals, all poultry, ducks, other birds and their raw or frozen byproducts, plants and plant cuttings, fruits and seeds are subject to quarantine control and must be declared at customs. Mesdames et messieurs, nous allons atterrir dans quelques instants à l'île Maurice. Veuillez vous assurer que votre ceinture est attachée, que le dossier de votre siège est en position verticale, les accoudoirs rabaissés, la tablette devant vous relevée, votre combiné, votre écran individuel et votre pose-pied rangé. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Mauritius. We have just landed at Ramkulam International Airport. The local time is 5:45 in the morning and the outside temperature is 21 degrees Celsius. Keep your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign has been switched off. Please remain seated until the aircraft has been cleared by the health authorities. Kindly ensure that you have collected all your personal belongings before leaving the aircraft. Please be very careful while opening the overhead racks as loose items may fall out and cause injury. For your information, the airport is a non-smoking zone. May we remind you that smoking is not permitted in any area within the airport terminal building. Passengers traveling with babies are to ensure that they collect their prom at the aircraft gate. It has been a pleasure having you on board and we look forward to welcome you soon again on an Air Mauritius and Air France flight. Goodbye and thank you.
Could you please disable those? Just take over both, thank you.